Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. The thing that I'm going to show you in today's video might just change my entire outlook on Bitcoin. I know the past few videos have been very bearish. I'm still at a bit of a bearish stance, but I have entered I'm going to be entering a long position if Bitcoin breaks above this $27,500 level, because what will happen is, I've discussed this in my previous videos as well, as a bullish scenario compared to our bearish scenario, Bitcoin can potentially be forming a double bottom over here. So like that. So that could be our double bottom that could be forming. And of course, after a pretty big move towards the downside like we've had in the past couple of weeks, this double bottom, especially on a macro chart like the daily chart, could be a very, very bullish indication and suggest that we could have a reversal. So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing the position that I've opened, some other very cool factors that we still need to keep in mind, and a bunch of other things. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you do enjoy this content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your notification bell because you want to be alerted as soon as I post a video so you do not miss out on the move. So let's jump into the video straight away without talking too much, right? So we're forming this double bottom formation, and as I discussed, right, so I have the reference over here for the beginners. I always like to understand what the patterns mean and everything when I was first starting off. So the reason why I'm putting these graphics is so that all the beginners out there, you can have a better understanding of what these patterns and all these indicators mean. So this is what a double bottom looks like on textbook. Of course, on the chart, it's not going to be exactly the same thing, but over here we can tell that it is a double bottom. So how you actually trade a double bottom is that you would usually open a position on the break of the neckline. Now we already wicked up to this neckline over here, as you can see. However, we got rejected from it because it is important resistance. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting a conditional long. If we break above this level again, I will be opening a long position, and my bullish target is going to be the $28,700 level. Now, where am I getting this level from? That's a good question. So if I jump back actually to the daily chart and zoom out a little bit, I will show you my channel. So if you guys remember and you watch my videos for a while now, you'll be familiar with the channel that I have. So this channel is pretty important. This is the range Bitcoin has been trading since at least like a month or two now. So it's a very, very important, and we found perfect support at this $26,600 level. We were scared and are still scared of a potential break towards the downside. However, right, we are seeing a reversal at the moment, and if we do continue going towards the upside, the next level, apart from the $27,700 level, is the next level of resistance is at $28,750. Therefore, if I bring back my trading setup, what you'll be able to see is that my take profit is exactly at this $28,738 level, just a couple of dollars off the previous resistance. Now, actually, usually what you would do is you would measure the height of this double bottom formation itself, and then you would put it above the breakout zone for your target. But what I'm doing is, if we do continue towards the upside, I believe the very important level of resistance we will face is the $28,730 level, which is why I'm going to be trading it up to that take profit. Now, my stop loss is going to be pretty tight because it could be just a quick fake out and we continue towards the downside, because I will show you this pattern over here that we could also say is forming, and something that we have to look out for on the chart. So if I draw it over here, then we could see that this descending falling wedge is forming on Bitcoin's price. Of course, it is a bullish indicator and it's forming on the daily time frame. So this is very nice and it could be very valid. And the break of this neckline, which is where I set my conditional long position at, also falls on the same line with the resistance of this falling wedge. So it would be, in my opinion, a very nice place to go long. Of course, nothing in this video is financial advice whatsoever, guys. Make sure to do your own research before trading or investing, and then come to your own conclusions using your technical analysis that you've gathered info from different YouTubers and analysts, and then you've added your final touches to make sure that it's your own TA. That's how you'll become the most successful. So again, this is the place that I'll be longing at, the place that I discussed at, and I'll be doing it on Bitflex. Honestly, I find it very nice and easy to use. It's like a simpler version of Bybit, and there's no KYC required. And if you'd like to, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Soon I'll be making a tutorial on how you could use the exchange with a very cool trading strategy as well. So So stay tuned for that. And also, guys, make sure to join the free Telegram channel, because actually earlier this morning, a couple of hours before I'm going to upload this video, I did update you guys about this double bottom already on my free Telegram channel. So make sure to join. It's absolutely for free, and it's just something that I'm doing for you guys, for the community. So I have two positions like set at the moment. One for $26,100, which I've discussed in the previous videos, and I've given my reasons for it already, so I'm not going to bother doing that now. But the second position I've set is at $27,500. Of course, the reason why it's a little bit different is that you need to go and copy your analysis onto the chart of your exchange you're using, because the numbers can be a little bit different. And to me, I've adjusted it to Bitflex, and the place I'm going to go long is going to be at $27,500, which I've done by setting a conditional long order. Then after this order is executed in $177, then what I'll be able to do is set my take profit and stop loss manually. So after it's open, it's going to go to active orders, and then there'll be a take profit and stop loss option for me to choose from. So this is what I'll be doing for Bitcoin. Again, we have to still watch out for this potential head and shoulders pattern. It looks like it's getting invalidated. And as I discussed in the previous video, what we could be doing is we could be forming a double top also on the weekly time frame. So this is the thing that I'm watching out for. But apart from that, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.